Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to find and add friends on Facebook. To find and add a friends on Facebook, open the Facebook app. Tap on the search bar and here type the name of your friend. Type the name of your friend and see the suggestions. If you don't find your friend here, tap on the people. Here you will find all the profile which name you have typed on the search box. Here you can find your friend. When you find your friend's profile, tap on the profile picture and open. Open your friend's profile. You can check his about section, mutual friends, photos and others. And then if you know the person, then tap on add friend button. That person will get a friend request from your profile. You can send up to 1000 friend requests and waiting for a response. If you send more, the oldest request will be deleted. To find more friends to add, you can upload your contacts from your mobile phone or email account. To get suggested friends, you can use people you may know section to find friends on Facebook. People you may know suggestions come from things such having friends in common with someone, being in the same Facebook group or your network. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you liked this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.